Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 3x squared plus 2x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 6x plus 2 dx. First derivative of x squared, we have 2x, so number 3 and number 2 we have number 6. First derivative of x, we have number 1, that wise we have number 2. This one we change by u. 6x plus 2 ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about 3x squared plus 2x, and I will have c in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2x to the power of 3 minus 5. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3x squared dx. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 6, so we divide both sides by number 6, and we have s squared dx. This one we change by u. S squared dx we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 5 over 5, and I will put about c. Number 6 and number 5, we have 1 over 30 u to the power of 5, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.